Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to discover and enable the hidden option, switching to mobile data faster on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This feature, which is located among various settings, allows your device to switch more quickly from Wi-Fi to mobile data when the Wi-Fi signal is weak. This will reduce waiting times and maintain a stable connection while using the internet. So let's get started with the process. First, open the settings on your device. When you're in the settings, tap on the Connections option. Immediately after that, tap on Wi-Fi. Now, in the upper right corner, you will see 3 dots. Tap on them, then in the menu that appears, tap on the Intelligent Wi-Fi option. When you reach this part as I did, you need to scroll all the way down, and at the bottom, you will see the option named Intelligent Wi-Fi. Tap it 7 times to reveal the Connectivity Labs option. At the bottom, you will see a notification indicating how many more times you need to tap until the option appears. Once you finish that, just below Intelligent Wi-Fi, you will see the Connectivity Labs option. Tap on it. When you open the Connectivity Labs option, you will see various additional features and options. Scroll down a bit and find the option called Switching to Mobile Data Faster, then tap the switch next to it to enable it. Once you enable this option, your phone will switch faster from the Wi-Fi connection to mobile data when the Wi-Fi signal becomes weak. This will allow you to maintain a stable and fast internet connection without unnecessary waiting. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon and thank you for watching.